Your teacher will ask you, what's your name? Then you count 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9? Yay! Then you say A, B, C, D. A. The phonics. A is for apple.
Apple.
B is for boy. C is for cat. Oh, you sit properly, baby. Sit properly. D is for E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for gorilla. H is for house. House. I is for igloo. J is for juice. K is for kangaroo. Very good. L is for lion. Good job. What color is this one, Coco?
Yellow.
No, this one is what?
Orange.
Yeah, Nanay teach you. Okay, this one is what? Give Mama green. Green. Yes, give me. Green. Green, 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 green. Green. Yes, and then yellow. Yellow. Coco, okay, bye-bye now, Then you tell teacher. Teacher will ask you, what is your name? Little girl, what is your name? Huh? What? Oh, okay. Then you say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love you. Oh, many kisses. Or you show me. Rico. That one is who? Who is this one?
Princess.
Princess.